At Agaso Outdoor, every so often we get to push the limits of what an early Bronco can be. This 1975 represents the pinnacle of where vintage soul meets modern precision. Conceptualized and built in Ventura, California, this vehicle underwent a multi-year frame-off restoration aimed at creating the ultimate expression of a touring early Bronco. While its silhouette remains a timeless American icon, every mechanical and aesthetic detail has been reimagined. The choice of California Sage, an iconic Aston Martin racing color, was selected to bridge the gap between rugged Americana and European elegance. It honors its 1975 heritage by preserving its legendary 4x4 capability while elevating performance and finish quality with all the modern amenities you want, always hidden in plain sight, as we are known so well for. The interior is rich in texture and heritage. Custom green leather upholstery complements the California Sage exterior, accented by timeless wool plaid inserts. The result is a cabin that feels more like a bespoke Seville Rose suit than a traditional utility vehicle. Custom cut and color-matched German square weave carpet paired with brushed bull denim edging creates a period-correct feel. Every switch, surface, and fastener has been hand-finished to ensure that it stands up to the scrutiny of a Concours selection committee and the test of time long-term. We even went as far as 3D printing custom dash nuts to ensure every touchpoint is perfect. In the console, you'll find modern navigation, sound system, and controls for the power windows, locks, and integrated seat heaters. Under the hood, this Bronco reveals a hand-built, blueprinted 328 cubic inch 5.0 roller cam engine with a Dart aluminum block. This all-aluminum power plant features a custom cam profile and heads specified for a flat torque curve. While many restorations focus on aesthetics alone, we engineered this engine specifically for high torque delivery where you actually want it in a short wheelbase truck. Our goal is to create a vehicle that is capable as it is refined. This setup includes multi-port fuel injection and our own custom stainless steel fuel tank. The electrical throughout is motorsport grade, specifically featuring a fully custom wiring harness with electronic logic control and dual PMUs. As you look underneath, you'll see our commitment to routing and serviceability. This is what separates the good from the great. The chassis was upgraded with a custom hybrid Ford 9-inch front axle and a brand new Ford 9-inch rear, and 4-wheel Wilwood disc brakes with Hydro Boost power. The entire underside is protected with durable Line-X and color-matched liner that extends into the engine bay and cabin interior. For cooling, our proprietary electric fan bracketry and OEM fan keep the 5.0 running at peak performance, even in the California heat. The transmission is a modern 4R70W automatic overdrive, paired with an Atlas II transfer case for ultimate reliability on or off the road. This Bronco sits on custom 17-inch CNC aluminum wheels. They are one of a kind and inspired by Dunlop racing wheels of the era and wrapped in 33-inch BFG all-terrain tires. We utilized a 2.5-inch suspension lift with a 1-inch body lift built directly into the frame to maintain those perfect grounded proportions. You'll notice there is no roll bar or rear seat installed currently. We saw the vehicle in this pure roadster state during assembly and decided to keep it that way for this debut. Sometimes you just have to stop in your tracks and let the lines of the vehicle speak for themselves. We do, however, have a rear bench seat already built for it and could easily add a roll bar if its use purpose navigates us to do so. From the fully stainless exhaust system and custom headers to the electronic parking brake and power steps, no detail was too small. The ultimate test is drivability, and this Bronco sure is stable at high speed and a dream to drive. This is the latest expression of the American spirit from Agaso Outdoor. a testament to California car culture and blending the best of two worlds.